and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. We have Dean Lewis, not the first time here on Going Guitar. I know he has many fans out there, so if you want to learn this song, I'm getting well, this is the opportunity. Now let's go into it. The absolute best scenario for us to match up with the sound is to have a capo and place it on the 3rd fret, and even then we don't have the higher notes, but it will be a lower down, but exactly the same notes technically. So yes, that is the best scenario for us, and with that also easy chords. Let's go through the chords first. We're gonna start with C, so that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. E minor next. That will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. We have G, 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. And finally we have the D. And that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Now we're going to have modifications on these chords now when we're going to look into the melody, which is played in the verse. So we're going to start chord by chord, starting with C now, and I suggest you hold the full chord as it is and you play this part. So you're going to play 3rd A together with 1st B, then 2nd D, 3rd A, then 1st B, 2nd D, 3rd A, 1st B, and 2nd D. So slowly. Next chord is the E minor, and now you're going to start on the B note. So you're going to play or hold the full chord as it is and play 2nd fret A together with open B, 2nd D, 2nd A, open B, 2nd D, 2nd A, open B, and 2nd D. Slowly like this. Next chord is the G, and I suggest you go from that 2nd fret A, keep that there from the E minor chord, and just go up with your little ring finger on the 3rd fret E string, and you have that ready grip. You don't need that high E down here, just the bass for this melody. And you're gonna play this part. Okay, so that is to play 3rd fret E string in the bass together with open B, then open D, 2nd A, open B, open D, 2nd A, open B, and open D. That's the G part, slowly. Okay, and finally we have the D. Now you don't hold the chord as it is at all. Actually, modification like this. Okay, so little pinky on the 5th fret A to get the D note there. Then you use your ring finger to get the 4th fret D string, and your index finger to get the 2nd fret G. Use these 3 strings. It looks a little bit stretchy, but if you think about it, 1 finger per fret, that will be very natural to hold like this. Okay, so you're gonna play. That is 5th fret A together with 2nd G, then 4th D, 5th A, 2nd G, 4th D, 5th A, 2nd G, and 4th D. So that's the end of the melody, and that's the end of the verse. Okay, you're gonna play 2 rounds of that melody in this first verse. I'm gonna take down the tempo for you. You're gonna play 1 round for you to understand what's going on. Let's do it. Rounds, that's the first verse. Now into the chorus that happens about 24 seconds in. The first 2 rounds in this course is to play 1 down per chord. And you're going to use, of course, the full grips now. C, E minor, G, D. And you play 1 down as if you would play the melody. So that is the length of the pauses. So C, E minor, G, D. Second round. That's the first 2 rounds. The second, last 2 rounds, so it's a total of 4 rounds together, is to play the strumming, and we're gonna look into that right now. So grab the first chord C. 1 string round goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play down, up, down. You play that again, so 2 times, down, up, down, down, up, down. I like to have emphasized this first down in every half, so to speak. So down, up, down, down, up, down. To really mark out that rhythm going on there. And then you finish off with 2 downs. That's it. So down, up, down, down, up, down, down, down. That creates a certain rhythm. It sounds like this. Okay, so you're gonna play 1 of these per chord. So C1, E minor 1, G1, D1, like this. Second round. All right, so there you have it. So that's the first round. The second round now, second verse plays exactly in the same way as the first one. So 2 rounds of that picking. Then we're gonna go into the second chorus. And the second chorus, you're gonna play 4 full rounds of strumming. So no 1 down per chord anymore. You're gonna play 4 full rounds of that strumming we just learned. After that comes a post-chorus part. It happens about 2 minutes and 18 seconds in. What you're gonna play here is E minor 1, D1, C2, and again E minor 1, D1, C2 of strumming. So E, D, C 2 times. That is the post-chorus part after the second chorus. And after that comes the outro. What you're gonna do here is to play the verse play for 1 round. That melody, and with that melody, this song ends. I'm getting well. We're happy for you, Mr. Dean Lewis. You're getting better. And yes, this is a typical song that actually sounds harder to perform than it is. You see the pattern here in the verse, it follows the same pattern, okay, different grips, and some grip could be a little different, this D for instance, but since you get it, you get it. And then the strumming, again, it sounds a lot because it's fast, but it's actually very easy. So give it a try if you want to have shine with a song based on a guitar. This could be the one. So good luck. If you enjoyed this one, support me here and be back for next time. Till then, play tuned.